one.
Well, hello again, another take. We're trying a higher aperture and higher aperture number and a higher ISO to see if we can persuade it to stay focused on the lens and things as well. So what do I have here? I have a Nikkor 105mm f2.8 AFD macro. AFD because it's the one that has the screw drive driving the lens from the motor in the camera. In other words, old-fashioned. This lens is probably from the late 80s or 90s. I'm not quite sure of the date. It's very nice, has its own aperture ring. This is a beautiful mint copy belonging to my friend Richard. It has a ring here. I'm not sure if that's showing well or not.
It's doing better, yeah, it's doing better.
Richard says it's doing better.
I think from testing earlier, this 40mm lens doesn't focus that close. So, when you get your...
How's it doing about there?
It's doing okay, yeah. I think when you get your 24-70, that may focus closer and you have more flexibility.
Yeah, I am filming this on my new, used Z6 Mark I, which everybody says is terrible, but I think it's pretty decent. We've got the cheapo Z lens, the 40mm f2. So that's what's filming this. And this old lens, this AFD lens, it's a beautiful piece of kit actually, has a lovely look. And you can put this on the adapter. It will not autofocus, but it will manual focus very nicely. And the electrical contacts on the back of the lens, let me just find those. Yes, they're sort of on that black ring. I hope the camera can see them.
Yes, can.
Yeah. So what those do is, this obviously autofocused with the AFD system. So this is providing data to the camera when you put this on the adapter. So even though you have to focus it yourself, it gives you a lovely red focusing box around the subject, and when that's in focus it turns green, and it makes manual focusing the AFD lenses, which they call chipped lenses, much easier than the non-CPU lenses. Okay, so shall we terminate our test there?
Okay.